Hi, I am Akinshala Samson. You're welcome to this video course on animating a walk cycle like a pro. All 18 episodes on this course will be uploaded on our YouTube channel once per week. However, you can get the full video course on our website, Levonotion.com. It's time to walk. Let's animate a walk. Okay guys, welcome to this new lesson. And in the previous lesson, we blocked out our down position. Now in this very video, we're going to be blocking out the pausing position. Let's take a look at what we have. Go back to post mode. The hips is coming down on the down position. That's good. Let's go to dope sheet and go to the side view and inspect what we've done so far. Okay. So the contact should be, the contact pose on frame 1 should be a mirror of that on frame 13. Okay. That looks good. That looks good. So everything looks good. Okay, and then for frame 4, this should also be a mirror. Frame 4. Okay, so this, I would like to change the keyframe on the forward foot because I want it to be exactly on the same position. You can see there's that bit of a change. So I want it to be on the exact position. And this is minus 23.79, so I'm just going to copy that. Select this. I have minus 21 here instead of minus 23. So just Control V to paste that, to set the keyframe. Now let's check it out. Okay, so everything looks cool. How about the contact pose? I think there's a bit of a variation here as well. 1, 13, 1, 13. So the forward foot here looks good. As you can see, it looks good. But the back foot needs a bit of adjustment. So I would like to go with the first one here, and that's 41. So Control C. And then frame 13, just click on that. This should be 41. You can see that, 41. Okay, but is this positive or negative? We need to be sure of that. Okay, 41 negative. This should be 41 positive. Okay, so Control V, enter that, set a keyframe, and just flick through. So it looks exactly like the replica other than the hips rotation, which is fine. Okay, then the down position as well. Yeah. Okay, I think I can still see the slides. This is minus 21 again. This is I'm not sure I keyframed the last one. Okay, so minus 23, Control C to copy that. And back here. Control V to paste that. This should be positive, I guess. No. So negative. Set the keyframe. 4, 3. So now everything looks good. Contact, contact, down, down. Okay. So you just want to take, you want to make sure you always check that from the side view and make sure everything looks as accurate as possible. Okay. So now let's do what we need to do in this very episode, which is setting out our passing position. So that should happen on frame 7 and frame 19, okay? So we have on frame 7, the foot that is carrying the weight of the character should be planted. So this has no business having any rotation value. I'm just going to Alt R that to zero it out, okay? Make sure as well, okay, zeroed out, okay? And you also want to lift the torso. So I'm going to flip my view, just lift it up. Now this position can be changed at any point in time in the course of our animation, but for now I think we're good with that height. And lastly, you want to lift the foot because this is the passing position, and at the same time I want to rotate using the foot heel. So I'm just going to rotate that. Okay, so this foot heel would not give me what I want. In that case, I need to use this. So now, this is another thing you need to start doing as an animator. You have to look for controls that would actually give you the exact pose that you're looking for, right? Now, in this exercise, I deliberately don't want to use the foot control for my rotation because I want to have them separate, okay? So that's why I'm going through this method. All right, so now that we have this, you want to select everything and then set a keyframe. However, before you set a keyframe, I want you to also select this new control that we just used in getting out the feet of the character to look like it's rotated. And I need to assign that as well to the hips and feet selection set. Now this way, when I select it, it's going to select my new control, which is the toe IK, all right? So select everything and set a keyframe on frame 7. Now you need to adjust the position of this particular control. You can see you only have this new value for it, whereas on frame 1 it's meant to be zeroed out. Okay, so Alt R to zero it out and set a keyframe there. Now you want to go to frame 4, Alt R, set a keyframe. Okay, and frame 13 as well. So just copy this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. This is down position, Ctrl V. Okay, so you have the up position here, but we're going to do that later on. And back to frame 25, Ctrl V. So I think we've settled everything we need to do. Cool. We've settled everything we need to do for that toe control. So this part here looks horrible, but we're still going to fix that by the time we work on the up pose for this walk cycle animation. All right. So select the hips and feet selection set, set the keyframe, Ctrl C to copy, and you want to go to frame 19, Ctrl Shift V to flip and set a keyframe. Again, I'm going to check if my frame 7 and frame 19 looks exactly the same, and from what you can see, they look exactly the same, and that's fine. All right, so let's play this and see what we have so far. Okay, so forget about the wobble here. Okay, we're still going to fix that. Okay, just overlook that for now. All right. So this is where we're going to call it a wrap for this video. In the next lesson, we're going to block in our final important key pose for the walk cycle. Thereafter, we'll start working on tweaking other parts of the character's controls to get a very good walk cycle at the end of the day. So see you in the next lesson.